Hi! In this video we're gonna discuss the concept of landing pages and how we can use them for our marketing campaign success. In today's competitive marketing place, to have a proper strategy with effective landing pages has become essential to the business success. So, let us understand what a landing page really is and how can help us creating a thriving marketing campaign. A landing page is specially created for an advertising campaign, being totally different from a website page. Its purpose mainly consisting in being conversion-focused and targeting a specific message which resonates with the audience. There are a few things to keep in mind if we wish to create a successful landing page, such as a compelling and clear headline, a strong and action-oriented CTA, high-quality and engaging visuals offering value proposition by clearly communicating its benefits. You may wonder which is the difference between a landing page and website page. To make it clearer, a landing page only refers to an ad that leads users to a landing page with a form to fill in their email in exchange for an ebook. While website page is a page which is part of a website, such as company web page, which has sections about the services or contact information. The key purposes of a landing page refer to lead generation, driving sales or purchases, promote campaigns, encourage sign-ups and subscriptions, increase event registrations and downloadable content. All this for assuring the chances of generating leads and ultimately conversions. Some examples of common known landing pages would be free trial signups for software or services, product launch pages to showcase new releases, service inquiry pages to request quotes or consultations, content downloads pages such as ebooks or checklists. There are some reasons why landing pages are so important for marketing, and that would be the tailored campaigns and increased conversion rates, a better user experience and effective A/B testing, lead generation and user data collection, targeted messaging and maximized ROI on AD spend. Now let's explain in detail each type of landing page and how they contribute to a successful marketing campaign. Lead generation page is used to collect user information such as name or email addresses in exchange for a free guide like ebooks or demos. Sale page are used for selling a product or service, being more detailed because they are designed to educate and persuade visitors to make purchases. Click-through pages are designed to warm up visitors before sending them to another page such as checkout or product page. Squeeze page utility, on the other hand, is to squeeze a visitor into providing email or another form of contact information in exchange for an ebook or newsletter. Product launch page is an at-hand option for creating buzz and excitement around the launch of a new product or service. Pages like this including pre-orders or early accesses. Coming soon page generates excitement and gather interest before any launching, providing visitors early access and sign-up updates. Event registration page, on the other hand, encourages visitors to sign up for events such as webinars, workshops or training sessions. For app download page, the goal is to promote app downloads both for mobile and desktop applications. Long-form page helps us into providing detailed information about a product or service for explaining more complex offers or high-value purchases. And the last but not least, the thank you page is used to confirm a user has completed a specific action like filling out a form or making a purchase. There are some valuable tips and tricks for creating effective landing pages, like a clear headline, a concise copy focused on benefits, strong and direct CTAs, supportive and engaging visuals, social proof, accessibility through mobile-friendly integration, fast load speed, and most importantly, understanding who your audience is with the help of buyer personas. The next point to clarify is what a buyer persona really means. Well, it is a semi-fictional and detailed representation of an ideal customer, created based on market research about existing customers. It contains several key components like personal information such as name, age, gender, job title, and educational background, goals and objectives, what they hope to achieve personally or professionally that relates to your product or service, challenges and pain points which refer to the obstacles they want to face and your product may help them, motivations, meaning what drives them to seek a solution, preferred communication channels referring to where they consume content and engage with brands, and buying behavior, which includes their purchase decision making like price sensitivity or timeline. You need to know that there are several steps you have to keep in mind when creating a buyer persona, and the first thing to consider is the research. You should gather sufficient data from surveys, interviews, or analytics to understand who your customers are. Identify patterns is also an irreplaceable step because it helps you find common behaviors, challenges, or goals across different segments of your audience. A hack in being more accurate is create multiple personas, because if your business has a diverse customer base, multiple personas will represent different customer types. The next step into creating your buyer persona is to add specific details like name, personal goals, pain points, or buying behavior. Now let us dive into choosing the best time to use landing pages. For lead generation, you can use landing pages to capture leads in exchange for a free resource such as demos, consultations, white papers, webinars, or free trials. Landing pages are essential for creating paid advertising campaigns. For example, when you need to direct your users to a landing page where they can enter details for a report that you're conducting. Landing pages are also important for special promotions or discounts, because with their help you can run promotions, sales, or special offers, for example seasonal discounts, Black Friday deals, or exclusive offers. Landing pages can also be used for event registrations because they promote events where the goal is to drive sign-ups or registrations. We can also use them for retarget campaign to remind users the benefits of your product, incentivizing them to take action. Contests and giveaways can be also promoted through landing pages used to explain the contest details and collect entries. You can create different landing pages to target specific audience segments or behaviors. This allows for more personalized messaging and increased relevance, which leads to higher conversion rates. In the same area enters affiliate or partnership marketing, which is made to drive traffic to specific page designed to convert visitors into prospects through affiliate campaigns or co-branded partnerships. Here are some tips and tricks to avoid mistakes when you are creating landing pages. You need to avoid creating a cluttered design by keeping it simple and using white space. Too many CTAs might seem confusing, so you need to use single CTA and remove distractions. Also, try to avoid irrelevant content, ensuring that the landing page matches the expectations of the ad. A good practice is to ensure that the landing page is easy to navigate. Thus, you can easily avoid poor user experience. The best trick when creating CTA is to have it action-oriented, using verbs that encourage immediate action such as get started, download now, or claim your offer, because the visitors may expect something in return for their action. You need to make it benefit-driven and to highlight what they get by clicking. Testing effectiveness is an important trick as well, because in this way you can see which CTA generates the highest conversions. Avoiding slow loading times through optimizing performance is also a best practice to decrease chances of poor user experience. Next, we will talk about how landing pages increase conversion rates for ad campaigns. One important aspect in increasing conversions is to ensure that the landing page matches the intent of the ad, ensuring the relevance and the message are matching. A focused CTA may also be a key to conversion because it clearly and strongly encourages the visitor to take a particular action. Through audience-specific targeting, paid advertising campaigns segment the market based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, tailoring the content to audience needs. The quality and relevance of your landing page plays a really important role, because this directly impacts your quality score, which may affect your ad placement and CPC. Another way to increase conversion is through A/B testing and optimization. Landing pages will allow you to run tests to optimize elements like headline, CTA, or images. Trust elements and social proof is another good instrument of increasing conversion rates, its purpose being to increase the credibility through customers' reviews or case studies. Another important topic to be clarified is how landing pages boost email marketing through highly targeted offers. Landing pages allowing you to present a highly targeted offer or promotion, instead of sending a bunch of emails to a general website.
A dedicated landing page reinforces the offer mentioned in email.
With the help of landing pages, you can also create highly segmented email campaigns based on user preferences and direct recipients, which resonates with the content tailored to their needs. Focus CTAs can also play an important role in email campaigns because this kind of campaigns usually have a specific goal, such as driving sales,
generating leads, or encouraging event signups.
Thus, the focused CTAs direct recipients to the exact next step you plan them to take. Mobile optimization for email traffic is also an important step you need to take because more than a half of emails are opened on mobile devices.
So, a mobile responsive landing page ensures that email subscribers can easily navigate.
Measuring the success of landing pages is also an essential step to do because in this way we can find out how they perform.
Thus, conversion rate measures the percentage of visitors who complete the desired action on the landing page.
Another indicator to look at is bounce rate, who measures the percentage of visitors who leave the landing page without interacting further. Time on page is also important because measures how long visitors will stay on the landing page before taking an action or leaving. Click-through page rate is used to track how often visitors click on CTAs or interactive elements on the landing page. You can track it by dividing the number of clicks on the CTAs to the total number of page views and multiply by 100.
Are you wondering how you can build landing pages?
Well, there are various tools and platforms that are helping you with that, such as Unbounce,
Lead Pages, or Instapage. Also,
they can be integrated to CRM and marketing automation through systems like HubSpot or Salesforce. Now let's have a look at some examples of successful landing pages to better understand their way of working.
Dropbox is an example of simple landing pages with a clear value proposition by using a straightforward sign-up form.
Why it works?
Because it emphasizes the benefits and provides minimal distractions for users. Slack instead creates engaging visuals, videos showcasing product benefits, and strong call to actions to sign up.
It works because effectively communicates how the tool improves team communication,
making it relatable and enticing.
Airbnb features engaging visuals of homes and destinations, a clear search function and testimonials, and it works because it connects emotionally with potential travelers,
offering them immediate action, namely searching for a place to stay.
Now let's have a recap of what are the benefits of landing pages.
They target the message, improve conversion rates,
give us the opportunity of data collection, and offers easy ways of experimentation through A/B testing for businesses looking to enhance their marketing strategy.
Integrating well-designed landing pages is a game changer.
These pages not only capture interest but also guide potential customers toward meaningful actions.
Thank you for watching.
Hope this video helped you understand the concept of the landing pages. For more information, you can check a more in detail article about this topic on our website.